My mom, we're doing a mukbang.
Hi! Nakakasilaw pala. Daddy, paki-turn off yung light dito.
This is the food. And my mom's gonna eat with me. For the first time.
Uy, lagi naman.
I'm just joking.
Ah,
Mm. Mm.
Makapagkagulo na tayo ng mga tao, sobrang sikat na natin. Natawa ka? Sobrang famous na tayo, Bi.
I just want to be more famous.
Oo, hindi mo kailangan na maging famous, kailangan mo lang maging masaya.
This is so good.
What were you eating? You try that.
It's
It's a
not,
sunny side up with yung malasado,
yeah, the juicy one, no?
the juicy one. And sinangag with egg and hot dog. So sinama-sama siya. Mix of scrambled egg and hot dog. Tapos hot dog na buo. Hindi naman laging ganyan, pero tuwing yan yung ulam niya nag-vlog siya.
It's just, ngayon,
Baka mga pati-establish yung pag hot dog pinapakain. Hindi pa lagi yung hot dog. Kasi wala naman magulang na
nagpapakain ng hotdog sa anak niya lagi.
tapos mapamak ng anak. Pero syempre, let them enjoy also the food. Yung minsan-minsan na gusto nila yan, pakainin natin. Diba?
Yeah.
Alam naman nila eh. Too much happens natin. Actually, buo to na jumbo. Pero alam niya na bago sa kanya too much, natin niya yan. Bigyan niya sa kakal.
It's jumbo hotdog. Wait guys. Let me get my water. That's my water.
Dahil pag kumita ako bukas, bibili yung lemon. Pwede ka bukas.
Oo.
10 pa, kulang.
May simba bukas si Monday.
Hindi ba pag-aanda lang?
Give me my kutsara, that's yours.
Oh, sorry.
It's the yellow egg. I'm siding it up.
Mas gusto ko kumain ng kamas, pero kasi nakapastara siya. Respeto niya yung kanya kasi yung alam ang tawtawin ko yung pagkain.
Wala magkamay ka na.
Ayoko. Wala pala tayo. Cheers!
Take a bite guys.
This bite is for me, not for you. But cheers to this. Nangyay, a little of yellow.
Okay.
Pero hindi kahit sabihin kong it's for you guys, hindi nyo naman ito makakain. Diba?
Yeah.
Dedicated for you, pero ako kakain.
Look at the hotdog. So crunchy.
Ano kami, pandemic pa kami nagbablog, pero hindi kami physical kasi hindi naman din namin pinupush. Parang, nag-enjoy lang kami, nire-record lang namin. Diba?
Yeah.
Don't judge us.
Yeah, like
Sanay na talaga mag-judge.
yeah.
Eme.
You listen and
Eme
you
lang po
don't
yun.
know.
Ay, iba kasi napaka-judgmental. Bakit ka sa laki? Rock? Add more rice. Total breakfast naman eh.
Huh?
Okay lang sa breakfast yung marami. Huwag lang sa gabi.
I'm gonna get my water guys. Wait for me.